Hey guys, today it's about strong acids, bases, and their pH. So what is an acid and what is a base? In solution, an acid will form H plus ions, which are also H3O plus ions. This is according to the Arrhenius concept. And also according to the Arrhenius concept, base in solution will form OH minus ions. So now you know what acids and bases are. But what are strong acids and strong bases? Basically, they dissociate completely, which means if you have 1 molarity HCl, that will dissociate into 1 molarity H plus and 1 molarity Cl minus. So some strong acids are HCl, HBr, and HI, H plus when the halogen, except for fluorine. Strong bases include group 1 and group 2 paired with an OH minus. So, like those. So how do you calculate the pH of a strong acid? Well, first, pH is how acidic a solution is. Let's say we have this pH scale. So 0 is acidic, 14 is basic, and 7 is neutral. But what is pH? P equals negative log, so pH equals the negative log of the H plus concentration, or basically the molarity. So let's say we have 0.5 molarity HCl4. Since the molarity is also the concentration of H plus, pH equals negative log of 0.5 equals 0.3. So pH is 0.3. But what is pOH? That's how basic a solution is. So let's say we have our pOH scale, which is going to be the opposite. So 0 is basic, 7 is neutral, and 14 is acidic. It is the opposite. P equals the negative log again, and pOH equals the negative log of OH minus concentration. So how do you calculate the pH of a strong base? First of all, a base. So there's two methods. First, you should find the pOH of your base. And after that, pH plus pOH equals negative 14. Using this, you can find the pH. So just plug in your value of pOH. I think that one's simpler. Second method is kW, or the constant for water, equals 1 times 10 to the negative 14th, which also equals H plus times OH minus concentrations. And then you can just plug in values to find H plus. After that, you can plug in the H plus into negative log, so you can find the pH, like that. So let's do an example. So let's say you have 0.35 molarity NaOH. Find the pH. Using method 1, we're going to take the pOH of that value first. So negative log of 0.35 is going to equal 0.46, which is pOH. 14 minus 0.46 equals 13.54. That's pH, which makes sense because it's close to 14 and NaOH is very basic. So second method is 1.10 times negative 14 divided by 0.35 equals 2.9 times 10 to the negative 14th. pH equals negative log of that value equals 13.54. Same value exactly, and it makes sense still. Thanks for watching, guys. Hope you learned a lot. Like and subscribe, please. So we hope you ace.